Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to make egg pakoda. This is a very tasty and popular snack recipe. So we have prepared it in our own style, the ingredients that we have used. So let's prepare this egg pakoda recipe. This is very easy to prepare. So let's start. I would request you to subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon to receive latest notifications. I bring all the delicious recipes in Hindi and English. Welcome to Mom's Food Diary. So we have taken 5 eggs, we have boiled it and we need to cut it into half and keep it aside. Now we will be preparing the filling of the recipe. So in a bowl we need to add caraway seeds. We have taken half teaspoon of roasted caraway seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. It is black pepper powder. Now we will be adding half teaspoon of ginger paste and similarly we need to add half teaspoon of garlic paste. The remaining will be using in the later part of the recipe. So this is a little masala batter which we will be applying to the eggs and it is a filling. So now we have added a pinch of salt. Now we will be adding a half teaspoon of dried mango powder. Instead of this you can use lemon juice. So this gives a very tangy taste to the recipe. So we will be adding a little water and we need to mix it to become a mixture. So this mixture will be applying on top of the egg halves. So the ingredients that we have used are good for stomach because as we know this recipe has egg and gram flour which is quite heavy for the stomach. So we have used these ingredients to balance the taste as well as the effect. We have used the ingredients. So we will need to apply the mixture on top of the egg halves and keep it aside, and then we will move to prepare the batter of the recipe. So this is a very tasty snack, very easy to prepare and very yummy also. It is served hot with tea. So now we will prepare the batter. So in a bowl we need to add 7 tablespoons of gram flour. You can also take 5 tablespoons of gram flour in this recipe. So also you need to remember that you need to add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. So this is a very important tip. Whenever you are making any pakoda, to make it more crispy you can add rice flour into it. We have added half teaspoon of dried mango powder. Now we have added half teaspoon of turmeric powder. At the end we will be using water and mixing it to make it a batter. We need to add a pinch of salt, and before that the remaining ginger and garlic paste we will be adding it here. So we have to mix it thoroughly. So also we will be adding a pinch of salt. So please pause this screen and to check out the complete ingredients list. So as I was saying, we have used mint leaves and coriander leaves which we have chopped and kept it. Also we have taken a few green chilies and chopped it. We have taken 5 green chilies and chopped it, and we have to add it into the bowl. Now we will be adding caraway seeds powder here also because we have used the ingredient in both the batter as well as the filling. We have used both the caraway seeds as well as the caraway seeds powder in this recipe. We need to mix it completely. We have added a pinch of salt, and once we add a little water and mix it, at the end we will be only adding a pinch of baking powder. So this is a batter ready. This is the baking powder which we have used, only a pinch of it. We need to mix it, and now we have to dip the egg halves into this batter and we have to fry it. So we have heated the pan with oil. Only when it is completely heated on full flame, then we will be dipping the egg halves into the batter, and we have to make sure each and every part of the egg half is dipped into the batter, and now we will be adding it into the pan. So we need to fry it in such a way that every 1 minute we have to flip it so that each and every part gets fried completely. This is a very tangy, yummy tea time snack recipe which is made using eggs. So now we will be flipping it every 1 minute, so until the color changes to golden brown. So every 1 minute we will be flipping it. So once the color gets to its desired state, then we will be removing it from the pan and we will be serving it hot with tea. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please comment us below through the comment section. If you have liked this recipe, so please like and share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to receive latest notifications. So these are the egg pakoda recipe. Stay safe, take care. Until then, goodbye.